stuffed cheese garlic bread is the most perfect and delicious addition to your high tea. This garlicky, perfectly crisp, bready outsides with a molten melty cheese core will bring you so much joy. To know this easy recipe, follow the video. Take 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida in a bowl and add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to this. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Combine it. Now add 2 teaspoons of curd. I have used here sour curd or khatti dahi. Now add 1/4 cup of milk. Give this a mix. Now add some water gradually and knead into a dough. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and knead again. Let this rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Cover it with a damp cloth and keep aside. In a bowl, take 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and add 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter and mix it well. Our buttery garlic mix is ready. Now take the dough and divide it into 2 equal portions. Take 1 portion and make a ball of it. Now dust some flour on your rolling board. Roll the dough into a thin flat bread. Apply some tomato ketchup in the center of the bread. You can also take any of your favorite sauces. Now sprinkle some red chili flakes. Some oregano. Now apply the buttery garlic mix in the center generously. Put a generous amount of grated mozzarella in the center. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Add some more cheese. Now cut the edges of the flat bread with the help of a knife in a linear fashion. Now assemble the cut edges in a braided pattern or any pattern of your choice. Once you are done, apply some garlic mix over the top. Sprinkle some red chili flakes and some oregano. Take a greased pizza pan. And put your bread on this. Now your garlic bread is ready to bake. Bake this bread on the highest temperature of your oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Take out the bread from the oven. Apply some more butter on the top for that extra glaze when it's still hot. Serve it hot with tea or coffee. Do consider subscription to my channel if you like this content and press the bell icon for more updates. Put your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to visit Make It Easy Kashmir for more exciting recipes.